Hi, this is Martin again from EXP in Las Vegas. I'm going to show you a really unique home. It's amazing, it's huge, it's unusual, and you just have to come and see it yourself. 7 bedrooms, half an acre, really close to the city, just a few miles away off of Decatur Boulevard. I'm going to show you it's a half an acre lot, 23,000 square feet. 7 bedrooms, like I said, 4 bathrooms. It has a swimming pool. It's 1 story. You intrigued by this already? 7 bedrooms. It has a driveway that's in the curve, so you can exit from a different street than you enter it. It has RV parking on the side. It has a huge backyard, and I'm going to take you through it right now. So let's have a look.